I've received a lot of questions about my new book, Data Analysis with Microsoft Power BI. So I thought I'd create a short video to try and answer some of those questions. For instance, why do I need a book about Power BI? Isn't all of this information available on the internet? Well, it is available on the internet in thousands of blog posts and videos and documentation snippets that are spread across 100 different websites. Data Analysis with Microsoft Power BI provides a well-organized approach to learning Power BI. It uses the same step-by-step method that's been proven in my previous books on visualizations and business intelligence. It emphasizes standards and best practices. Using the book will allow you to be more productive with Power BI in a shorter amount of time and building on a solid foundation by doing things the right way from the get-go. So, who needs this book? Who is it for? Well, the book builds on different types and levels of Power BI usage as it progresses. So it's going to be useful for anyone using Power BI. Business users who want to get the most out of their interactions with existing Power BI reports and dashboards can work through the first 5 chapters of the book. Users looking to create their own data visualizations can continue on through Chapter 8. And developers who will be creating their own data models can move on to complete the remainder of the book. So, no matter how you want to use Power BI, I hope you'll check out Data Analysis with Microsoft Power BI.